Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to make a soft and cozy crochet bonnet together. For this project, I'll be using 1.5mm wool yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. Let's dive in. Make a magic loop to start. Before starting each round, chain 2 to serve as turning chains, which do not count as a stitch. Work 12 double crochets into the loop for the first round. Take your time, make sure your stitches are even. Pull tight the yarn tail to close the loop. At end of each round, make a slip stitch to join. Chain 2 to start round 2. In this round, we start to increase by making 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. One double crochet, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Keep making 1 increase in each stitch all the way around. At the end of this round, we have 24 stitches in total. Slip stitch to join. And chain 2 to start round 3. Work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Then make an increase in the next stitch. Repeat 1 double crochet followed by 1 increase around. A total of 12 times. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2 to start round 4. In this round, we make an increase in the first stitch. Then, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Repeat that all the way around. 48 stitches for round 4. Slip stitch to join. For the next 3 rounds, I am sure you can continue on your own. Just keep following the pattern. When you finish round 7, we'll start working on the sides of the bonnet. Round 7 has 84 stitches. Now, let's begin the side section. Every row will use the same stitch pattern. So once you learn it, it will be easy to repeat. Chain 3. This counts as your first stitch of each row. Then, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, work 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, all in one stitch. Next, skip 2 stitches again, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Work 5 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches again, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 13 times across the row. Take it slow, and make sure your pattern looks even. When you've finished, there should be a gap of 5 stitches between the start and the end of this row. Turn your work, and let's continue to work the next row. Chain 3. Work a group of 5 double crochets in the middle stitch of the group from the previous round. Then, it's 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous round. Simply repeat that around, and work as many rows as you like. Now, our bonnet is almost finished. You can see the shape has really come together nicely. Next, we're going to work on the edging around the brim. Chain 2 to start. In each open space, make 3 half double crochets. Take your time, place your stitches evenly and keep your tension soft. This will make the edge look neat and give it a nice finished look. Here we are at the middle part between the two edges. Just work 1/2 double crochet in each of 5 stitches. And continue working 3 half double crochets in each open space. When you reach the end, chain 60 or as many as you like to make the tie. Starting from the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet in each back pump. Continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch along the edging. Now, we are at the other end. Work equivalent number of chains first. Then, starting in the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet in each back pump. The other tie is finished by this point. Make a slip stitch to the nearest half double crochet. And fasten off. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this lovely bonnet. And see you again in the next video.